So in the end, last 10 minutes would be the quiz session, and that quiz session would be on Microsoft Forms. The link is already there on your chat box. Okay, that will be open at the scheduled time. Am I clear? Am I clear, students?
मैम एक और बार
Yes,
रिपीट
ma'am.
कर दो.
Okay. I am saying that from today onwards, after every class, we will be having 5 to 10 okay, and that has to be done in that 10 minutes whenever I ask you to do. Okay, that need not be 10 minutes depending upon the marks. If it is 5 marks one, then it will be for 5 minutes. If it is a 7 marks one, then it would be of 7 minutes. Am I clear? Am I
Yes,
clear,
ma'am.
student? And that would be counted as a
Yes, ma'am.
okay.
Do we
Yes,
have a
us.
test now? Ma'am, do we have a test now?
No, that is not a test. It is just the assessment of whatever you have learned during the class. So I won't say it as a test. I would say it as a internal assessment, and that would be in all the classes from now onwards. Okay, am I clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so without wasting much time, we go with the shortwave diathermy. So anybody can tell me what all we have discussed in the last class? Batao? Anybody? Rajaryan? Or Fatma? Anyone? Whatever we have discussed in the last class. Just to have a 5 minutes review and so that we can proceed further.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we
Yeah,
studied
please.
diathermy is a therapeutic treatment, and it is
Okay.
basically for muscular and joint associated pain.
Beta, while you are answering, open your camera. Right? वैसे तो you should open your camera every time, but while you are answering, it is like a respect to the teacher also. Okay, you're understanding that until and unless you are not facing any network issue. Yeah, please continue. Please continue, Kajal. You were right. Rest, it's up to you. Yes, bolo. Yes, students. Yes, continue. Kajal, please. Shortwave diathermy is a. Anyone else?
Shortwave diathermy is a modality that produces deep heating uh, through conversion of electromagnetic energy into thermal energy.
Very good. Then.
Then, ma'am, we also study about diathermy. Dia means throw and thermy means heating.
Hmm.
And principle of diathermy also we study three principle.
Hmm.
First ये था कि before injury dipole molecules their normal arrangement on the basis of their polarity.
Hmm.
When the tissue is damaged, polarity will be disrupted and there is a distribution is not proper. And when we apply shortwave diathermy in
Hmm.
through shortwave diathermy produce electric field and electromagnetic field due to which
Hmm.
electrons revolves and rotates according to their polarity and rearrange on their previous positions.
Yeah, correct. Anybody wants to add something? That was a perfect definition. If anybody wants to add, okay. So she was right that shortwave diathermy is a deep heating modality, and it is it is based upon high frequency current. And before the injury, the principle says the dipole molecules are in definite region, and as soon as the injury happens, the dipole molecules polarity is changed. Okay, Now
Yes, ma'am.
we are coming to today's topic of discussion, and that is that is types of shortwave diathermy. That is types of shortwave diathermy. Okay, so there is one induction field method, and the other is the capacitor field. Okay, if you people have these or aware of it, I welcome all of yours input also. Am I clear, students? You can interrupt me if you want to add something or if it is not clear to you. Okay? Okay,
Yes,
students.
ma'am.
ठीक है. Now we
Yes,
come
ma'am.
to
Yes.
the first method, which is called induction field diathermy. Okay. Now in your question paper, if you come across something like IFD, okay. So that particular mnemonic is also known as induction field diathermy. Am I clear? Right? If in short notes it is written, write a short note on IFD, then it means that they are asking for induction field diathermy. Okay. So don't say that this must be a misprint and the question must be IFT. Am I clear, students? Clear or
Yes,
not?
ma'am.
ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
अगर IFD भी होता है, that means election field diathermy, and if it is IFT, then तो it is a medium frequency current. Okay. Now, what is happening in this particular diathermy? Though it is hard to see this particular diathermy specifically in our country. Okay. So it is placing the patient in the electromagnetic field. Here you can see this is the patient the patient limb which is inside a coil, right? So the I'm really very sorry. Please excuse me. Yes. So what is happening? See, this particular limb is engrossed in a coil. Yes, you all can appreciate this coil. Yes or no? Yes, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So this coil is attached to this machine, right? So the current is flowing within the coil, which is producing a magnetic field. Okay. Now, when a magnetic field is being produced, there are production of eddy currents, right? Which are stationary currents through the conductors. Now, these eddy currents, they produce the heat. Okay, so when the heat is being produced, that heat is giving deep heating to the particular area. That is why this particular kind of diathermy is also known as magnetic field diathermy. Okay, students, this is clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? Yes? But I'm again telling you, this kind of diathermy is hard to see. Okay. But you should know in ancient times when it was developed, at that particular time they used to say कि eddy currents are developed and the most non-insulator part is a muscle, right? So the muscle would be benefited through the induction field diathermy. Okay. So can you see this graph is showing you through the studies that the most heated part is the muscle through the induction field diathermy. Okay. Okay, because why not fat? Why not fat? Because fat in itself is an insulator, right? So it won't be uh, get heated so much as compared to the muscle. ठीक है. अब एडी करंट है, अनवांटेड करंट है, तो वो फ्रिक्शन प्रोड्यूस होंगे. सो वंस दे प्रोड्यूस द फ्रिक्शन, दैट फ्रिक्शन विल आल्सो गो इनसाइड द फैट लेयर. इज इट क्लियर, स्टूडेंट्स? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we come to capacitive field diathermy, what we usually use in the form of those plates or those electrodes. Yes. So this uses the patient tissue as the part of the circuit. So what is happening? See here, this is, they have said it as a capacitive plate because inside those big electrodes which you have seen, which you say as pad electrodes. Yes, this capacitive plate is inside it. Okay. Okay. So
Yes,
how is it,
ma'am.
how, yeah, how it is being doing? It is selectively heating the skin. Okay. So muscle is getting heated, but it is getting heated via the conduction from the adipose tissue. Okay, here you can see this graph. This graph is visible to you all. Yes or no? Is it visible, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now here you can see the capacitive plate is in contact with the body tissue, right? So what is happening? First, the fat is getting heated, and then whatever left out heat from the fat will come to the muscle. Okay, but here advantage is why we are not using, inductive field diathermy method so often, and we are using the capacitive field diathermy method, uh, because the first and the foremost is that the electric shock thing is less in capacitive field method. Okay, because you really have to be very stringent and precautious when, if you are giving the patient induction field diathermy. All of you agree or not? If a slight amount of the limb of the patient here is in contact with the coil, what will happen? The patient will feel electric shock. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? On the contrary, here there is this capacitive plate in the disc electrode or in the pad pad electrode. So there is a covering, right? And on the contrary to it, with that covering, with this covering also, you are also putting some towel rolls. Yes, you are not placing it as it is on the body part. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So that
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
avoiding the danger of burns onto the patient. Okay, so this is also known as condenser field diathermy, and this is known as magnetic field diathermy. So if a short note comes with different names, please don't get confused. Okay, students. Now the very important thing, in this diathermy is there are so many, types of electrodes which are used for giving this deep heating, right? The first and the foremost is flexible pads, right, which consist of a metal which is encased in rubber and produce an electrostatic field, right? Next is space plates. These are the plates, right? This is consist of a metal electrode which is encased in a perspex cover or electrostatic field. Okay, okay. So, usually what will happen in the practical, you will be given certain things for spotting. So this particular picture may be there, and then you have to identify which kind of electrodes they are known as in diathermy. Okay, okay, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Any doubt? Can we move further? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is the coil or the cable. So this is the similar one, okay? Like in this particular one, they will use the inductive field diathermy, okay? Because the electrode, it consists of a wire with plugs and creates a electromagnetic field. So it will be more of a magnetic diathermy, okay? But I am telling you this, you won't be witnessing this. because now this is not being used. I'm telling you, until and unless you go to a physiotherapist who is practicing from past 55 or 60 years, then he may have this kind of a setup. Okay. Okay, students. You all of
Yes,
you
Okay,
have
ma'am.
ma'am.
seen
Yes,
diathermy,
ma'am.
है ना? Have you seen in the diathermy which is there in our OPD and in our practical lab also? And I will show you that on next week. Okay, next week also. So in that particular, have you seen the electrodes? Are the electrodes like this? Are the electrodes like this? Tell me.
No,
ऐसे
ma'am.
होते
No,
हैं?
ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
They are the pad electrodes or the disc electrodes, right? Yes
Yes,
or no?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this is a kind of a monode. So what is a monode? Monode is a flat rigid coil which is encased in a plastic cover. Okay. These usually you will see in in foreign countries. Okay. So they make very uh, that kind of electrodes which are not at all cause any electric shock to the patient. So there they use this monode. Then there is a dipole also. Okay. Or we call it a drum electrode, which consists of a flat coil electrode, which is encased in perspex cover with two wings. Okay. So it is a diplode. Diplode. Okay. Am I clear? It looks like a drum. Okay. So the what are the factors which influence the the types of electrodes are clear to everybody? So there are mainly 5 different kinds of electrodes. The flexible pads, these are readily available, and I know you all must have witnessed them. Yes, you all must have seen them.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now there's the space plates. These are also readily available, and you can see them, but less commonly being applied onto the patients. Okay. Coil, you won't see it so often. Monode and diplode, you can see diplode is there in one of the very good setups in south South Delhi. There is diplode electrode. I have seen it around 2 years back. So diplode is there in India, so you can see this. Okay. Now, what are the factors which are influencing the field distribution? Now, what do you mean by the field distribution? Can anybody tell me? Magnetic field already been discussed. So here we are talking about what field distribution? Can somebody tell me?
मैम फील्ड
What
डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में बॉडी पार्ट ज्यादा से ज्यादा कवर हो.
field distribution? Beta, here field distribution has
Field
another meaning.
distribution means the
Mhm.
space between two electrodes.
देखो बेटा, the definition was when the electromagnetic energy is being changed into the thermal energy. ठीक है. So the electromagnetic energy which is being given to the body part is through the making of the electromagnetic field. Yes or no? Had it been no electromagnetic field, will we be able to get the electromagnetic energy? ये बताओ पहले.
नो मैम.
नहीं
No,
होगा
ma'am.
ना. So the electric field is made by the spacing of the electrodes, and there are many more ways. अगर आपका वो ways सही नहीं होंगे, so the electromagnetic field won't be made. And if the electromagnetic field is not there, the electromagnetic energy won't be delivered. And if the electromagnetic energy won't be delivered, we won't be able to see the thermal energy. All of you agree?
Yes.
Therefore, factors which are affecting the distribution of SWD are very, very, very important. Okay? Okay, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am.
My screen is not visible na right now, I think.
Yes,
Not visible, ma'am.
Ah, now is it visible?
Yes,
yes.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So first and the foremost factor is the spacing. So what is happening if adequate amount of spacing is there, the lines of force, in the electrostatic field will diverge. So if they are diverging before the tissue, this will help in concentration of heat in the superficial tissue. Okay, so there will be more heating through the part or into the deeper tissue. Therefore, there should be adequate amount of spacing between the two flexible, especially if you're using the flexible electrodes. So how will you do the spacing? It is wrapping flexible pads in towel, then flat felt spacing pads, and between pad electrode and skin, and air when using spacer plates. Okay. Here, beta, I want to tell you one important thing. Usually you will see there's a patient with low back pain. ठीक है? तो क्या करेंगे? Therapist, what they do, they place the electrode like this on the couch. ठीक है? And then they will say the patient to lie down in it. Okay. Do you think this way of giving diathermy is good? How many of you agree with it? You got my question? Shall I repeat it?
Yes, ma'am. Repeat it again, ma'am.
See, what happens is when patients with low back pain comes to you and you think the best treatment for low back pain is by placing shortwave diathermy for 15 minutes. Okay, so what usually is being done, that these pad electrodes, they are nicely being packed in the towel, wrapped in the flexible wrap the flexible pads in towel, and they're kept on the couch. Okay, and then the patient comes in, and you ask the patient to just lie down on these electrode. Do you think that would be good?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. We must
Why?
place it on the patient, no, ma'am.
Why? Very good. Why, beta? Good. Yes, you are ex- uh,
Ma'am, I think
right.
that couch will affect, ma'am.
Couch will affect, or the body weight of the
Ma'am,
patient,
body
or
weight. Sorry, ma'am. Body weight will be is ma'am. The whole body weight is in that pad, no, ma'am.
then what will happen?
The spacing will be less, ma'am.
Yes, though, no, spacing is adequate. Spacing won't be a problem. What will happen if the patient's weight would also be poured onto the electrodes? है ना? Okay, you're getting my point, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And the heat will also come from the bottom, right? So both of those things, the weight of the patient and the electrostatic field which is being made on the bottom of the patient, will do what? That can increase the concentration of heating of the tissue superficially. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it may cause burn. It may cause burn.
But
Okay. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Not yet, ma'am. Ma'am, I got about the body weight, ma'am. The second one, what you said was?
Beta dekho. This is the patient. Okay, I will draw it. This is the couch.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
this is the couch. Okay. Now, here you have placed two electrodes very nicely. Okay,
Yes.
they are not getting entangled, nothing is happening. Okay, now you ask the patient to lie on
Yes.
this, uh, yeah, lie his or her back on this electrode. Okay,
Yes.
now this is the weight of the patient onto the electrode? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. And also there is an electrostatic field which is being formed.
Mm-hmm.
है ना? So what will happen? There will be increased concentration of the heat on the superficial tissue.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Got it.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if there is, because you know, uh, there may be a possibility when the patient is lying onto the couch, the spacing may decrease. So if the spacing may decrease, there will be superficial concentration, because now it is not visible to you. Will it be visible to you? Batao?
Oh,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, it won't be visible to you, right?
Because it is under his
So
back.
there will be three consideration. One, if it is the normal spacing, so there will be even field distribution, so even heating to the body tissue. If there's increased spacing, the field will concentrate on some particular area like this. Okay? And if it is decreased spacing, there will be superficial concentration, like the way when you will when if the position of the patient is supine lying for low back pain and you're asking the patient to lie on the pad electrodes. Okay, clear? Clear or
Yes,
not?
ma'am.
Okay. The second is the factor is electrode size. So if the electrodes are too small, then the heat will be superficial. Okay. Now if the electrodes are very large, so half of the heat will be lost in the air. So the ideally, what is the measure of the electrodes? It should be slightly larger than the area to be treated. It should not be too big. It should not be too small. All of you agree with it? If it is too big, then half of the heat which is being generated will go in the air, right? And if it is too small, what will happen? There will be concentration superficially, right? So it should be little larger. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? So to so yeah, there are some possibilities, like I'm telling you what is happening when you concentrate heat on one aspect of the part. Okay, so the electrode should be unequal in size. So if the smaller one is placed over the area where concentration of heat is required, so what you can do, you can produce concentration of heat by using equal size electrodes but with unequal spacing. That is, that 25 mm is for the over concentrated area and more than 30 mm on other electrode. Like this is for a case if a patient is coming to you with low back pain, okay, but the major pain is being confined onto the right side of the back. Okay, this can also happen. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
This can happen
Yes,
now.
ma'am.
This is very common. Okay, this can happen with
Yes.
you and me also while working on laptop for so long in an incorrect posture, right? So you have to concentrate heat on one aspect, that is onto the right side of the low back pain, right? So there you can do the unequal spacing, that is about 25 mm. Okay, and for the left side you can increase the spacing, that is about 30 mm. Okay, so that much of the heat is being absorbed on the part which is paining and which requires more heat. Okay, this is clear students or not?
मैम 30 mm वाला उधर रखेंगे जहाँ पे पेन हो रहा है,
नहीं हो रहा है.
जहाँ पे नहीं हो रहा. ओके, ऑपोजिट.
हाँ, क्यों? क्योंकि बेटा अगर जितनी लेयरिंग आप रखोगे, what is 25 mm and 30 mm? This is a towel roll layering, right? So agar if the layering is more, so there will be less heat getting to that part. Yes or no? And if the layering is less, then there will be more heat which is getting to that particular part. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to everybody, students? 4B, no
Yes,
response.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what is the therapeutic variation in field distribution? अब therapeutic variation ना इसका मतलब होता है कि how we place the electrodes. ठीक है? You must have heard about co-planar, contra-planar and crossfire method. Yes or no? है
Yes,
ना?
ma'am.
So you know the therapeutic variation in field distribution. Can somebody please put some light on it? बताओ बेटा. Yes, second years. Are you all there? बताओ बेटा, what is the therapeutic variation which we are talking about? Yes, students. क्या होता है
मैम
कोप्लानर को? हाँ बताओ चारू.
मैम क्रॉसफायर में दो तरीके के लगते हैं, लाइक एक होता है एंटीरियर पोस्टीरियर और एक होता है लेटरल मीडियल. सो जो है मतलब अगर 20 मिनट्स के लिए हमें टोटल देना है तो 10 मिनट्स के लिए हम एंटीरियर पोस्टीरियर वाला देंगे और 10 मिनट्स के लिए हम वो देंगे मीडियल लेटरल वाला.
ठीक है, बट थेरेप्यूटिक वेरिएशन कैसे करोगे आप? ये तो आप मुझे थ्योरी बता रहे हो ना. टेल मी प्रैक्टिकली हाउ विल यू डू दैट? हैव यू लर्नड इट? नो? यस, से समथिंग. नो?
नो मैम.
Okay, no problem. Then tell me now. Okay, so what is the therapeutic variation? Like for example, this is the co-planar method, right? एक minute. What has happened? Yes, this is the co-planar method. Yes, all of you agree? Both the electrodes. Yes, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. अब the spacing between if the two electrodes is less than 25 mm. Okay, so there will be more concentration in the superficial tissue. ठीक है. Now if this particular spacing is being increased to 30 mm, ठीक है, so there will be more heat which is being dissipating to the deeper tissue, right? So now how do we calculate the distance between the adjacent ends? So they should be greater than the sum of the electrode distance. Is it clear or not? This is also
No
a
ma'am.
formula. Okay,
No, ma'am.
so
The
this is
last
the
line you just say.
distance between two electrodes. मतलब कि इन दोनों बीच का इलेक्ट्रोड का distance, okay, should be more. किससे more? More than the sum of the skin electrode और इस electrode का distance. मतलब if this is 15 mm, if this is 15 mm, so this comes out to be 30 mm. So the distance between the coplanar should be more than 30 mm. Okay, is it clear?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अगर आप ऐसा नहीं करोगे तो क्या होगा पता है? जो हम इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक एनर्जी डेवलप करना चाहते हैं onto the body tissue, that won't be developed because the accurate electromagnetic field has not been made. Okay, clear हुआ या नहीं हुआ? This is very important. You know what happens जब हम we ask in the practical to place the diathermy, what you usually do? ये अगर पेशेंट है, यहाँ पे एक इलेक्ट्रोड रख दिया, यहाँ पे एक इलेक्ट्रोड रख दिया, ये लो बैक पेन का हो गया. दिस इज रॉन्ग बिकॉज दिस डिस्टेंस is not appropriate, is not adequate. और अगर ये adequate नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा? ये इसी के नीचे ही खाली हीट जाएगी, जो आपको पूरा इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फील्ड फॉर्म करके टिश्यू के अंदर हीट चाहिए ना, वो नहीं आएगी. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is very important. Okay, so the distance between the two electrodes, it should be greater than the sum of the electrode distance. Okay, clear हुआ या नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
ये A इलेक्ट्रोड है, ये
Yes.
B इलेक्ट्रोड है, ठीक है. इसका प्लस किया, so this distance should be more than A plus B. Clear, students?
मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
गड़बड़ तो
Clear.
नहीं करोगे प्लेसमेंट में?
ना मैम.
ओके. नेक्स्ट इज द कॉन्ट्रा प्लानर एप्लीकेशन. देखो, जो अब हम ये कॉन्ट्रा प्लानर करते हैं ना, यूजुअली वी यूज द डिस्क इलेक्ट्रोड फॉर द कॉन्ट्रा प्लानर application. See here, you can see this particular patient, he is suffering from knee osteoarthritis. Okay, so one is on the left side, the other is on the no, he is suffering from bilateral knee osteoarthritis. So what has been done, एक इलेक्ट्रोड यहाँ लिखा है और दूसरा इलेक्ट्रोड राइट वाली नी के लेटरल एस्पेक्ट पे रखा है. ओके.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
but there is a cotton towel between the two limbs to absorb perspiration. Okay.
Yes,
You know,
ma'am.
one thing you will see in Indian setups, in government hospitals especially, their females, they come up and they place usually the disc electrodes are not working, so you will see this pad electrodes. Okay, so when you will see this pad electrodes, don't get worried if they place like this. They will do this like this. Suppose this is the patient, okay. Yes, this is the patient lying, so they have to place this particular modality on the knee joint. Okay, so they will place one electrode over here, the other electrode over here, having a toweling very good, and then a towel to reinforce both the electrode. This way also being practiced. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
For you, the first line of treatment should be to use the disc electrodes. Okay, students? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So now I'm sharing the link for the quiz. So all of you open your cameras. For those who want to attempt the quiz, they have to open their cameras. And all of you have to log in from your MET ID for attempting that particular quiz. Okay. So I am again sending
Yes,
the
ma'am.
link. So all of you open your cameras, those who want to attempt the quiz. वैसे it is mandatory for everybody as this is the part of the internal assessment. I can only see Ikra,
Yes, ma'am.
Preeti, Kajal. Ikra, you are wearing mask, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm outside. That's why. Ma'am.
Okay, okay. Oh, it's your birthday. Happy birthday. That is why you are
Thank
outside,
you,
right?
ma'am. Oh, no, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, coaching देने के लिए आई हूँ.
Okay. Okay, this is Astha. This is myself. This is Maria or Soha. Okay. So only 1, 2, 3, Alfia. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Padma. Okay, you can start. The quiz must be opened by now for all of you. And it will only be till the time for the number of marks it is it will be open for that much amount of time. Okay? Okay,
ma'am.
students.
Okay, ma'am.
So I think those who are attempting are only Alfia, Ikra, Manik, Astha. Riya, Charu, Kajal, Chavi. So I'm taking the screenshot, those who are attempting, so that I will take only their marks as consideration for CIA.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually, my laptop camera is not working. I'm just going to join again.
Okay.
Ma'am, please give me 2 minutes, ma'am.
Beta, by that time the quiz may not be there for you. So you have to be really very fast.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Bolo beta, Anubhav.
Ma'am,
Anubhav, I can't see you. Yes.
ma'am, where are, ma'am, कहाँ पर अपलोड करने वाले हो आप लिंक?
बेटा चैट बॉक्स में ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड है.
ओके मैम.
मैम चैट बॉक्स शो नहीं हो रहा.
क्या हो रहा है? चैट बॉक्स से नहीं ओपन हो रहा.
मैम चैट बॉक्स शो नहीं हो रहा.
चैट बॉक्स शो नहीं हो रहा. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. किसको नहीं शो हो रहा?
मैम काजल.
जस्ट अ सेकेंड.
हम क्विज में कोई भी पार्ट ले सकता है.
बेटा this is mandatory to be in the quiz. This is part of the continuous internal assessment.
Okay.
I have submitted.
Okay, I will just check. Now is it visible to everybody? Yes or no?
Ma'am, I also submitted the quiz.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, I also submitted, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
मैम स्टिल मुझे चैट बॉक्स में दिखा.
किसको नहीं दिख रहा? I have shared it on the WhatsApp group also. Zishan, it is not visible to you?
Yes, ma'am. I checked it on WhatsApp.